So today I have the complete ketogenic diet for beginners. So this is going to be for those that are just getting into it, you don't really know a whole lot about it, or maybe you just want to supplement what you do know about the keto lifestyle. Essentially, the keto lifestyle is pretty much you're going to eat low carbs and higher fat, higher proteins. This is going to kind of give you an idea of what to expect with it and how to get into it. Chapter 1 is low carb, high fat. It also gives you ideas of supporting your lifestyle and what you need to do, cleaning out your pantry, your kitchen. And it also has like commonly eaten foods and gives you some ideas of the carbs and calories with those. You'll find that there's a lot of foods that you eat that are very, very high in carbs. It will also talk about the keto flu in here, so you'll definitely want to read about that and just be prepared and just try to do some supplements and stuff for that. And but I mean, overall, it's a pretty good little book. You got 14-day meal plans. You also got shopping list in here, so it'll actually help you out with like a dinner plan or a meal plan. It'll help you out with like getting the different stuff that you need, and there's recipes in here as well. So I mean, this book kind of covers a little bit of everything. If you're looking for a book that will help you out with learning or just supplementing your keto diet like I mentioned, or just the regular low carb, whatever you just decide to do with that, but definitely take a look at this book. It's got a lot of great knowledge in it.